I'm back at it again with another video. Yep. I'm just joking. It's my dog. His name's Diesel. Here's my cat. She's right there. And Lucy. Her name's Lucy. My fishes. Hold on, let me turn on the light. It's pretty dark in here. I can barely see it. There we go. My fishes. Let me find it. There's one of my fishes. There's my other one. I have another fish. I don't have names for them. Where'd he go? He's gone. He's totally gone. Where'd he go? He disappeared. He disappeared from this earth. There's a brown one in here somewhere. Hopefully he didn't die. That'd be sad. And the blue one would be lonely. He'd be a lonely little fella. Let me check. I don't think he would be able to jump up here. Oh, clean the kitchen. As you can see, just dinner. We had like these burrito type of things. They're really good. It's like a tour around my house. I might do that one day. Just like the kitchen. Yeah. God, the fly up there. What the? Oh God, you barely see him. That light just blinds you. This is a random video. Not as random as that one video named Random Video. Oh, named Random XD. Oh, make sure to like and subscribe. What's this plate doing here?